This box is full of baby jars. I'm gonna spray paint these lids like pink and red and put cheesecake in a jar. I saw it on Pinterest. It's really cute. Does it seem disgusting though for some people? I don't know, to reuse jars. Jeez. Oh, you gotta be careful. We can't break them. Yes, lids too. Yes. And then I'm also gonna use them as party favors and probably put candy in them. Oh goodness, Coral. If you guys have any other ideas that would be cool for her birthday, let me know. So that's what Coral and I are gonna be doing. We're gonna be peeling off these labels. We'll show you guys in a little bit.
I'm coming to get ya. I'm coming. Coral, don't get me. Coral, don't get me. Don't get me. Please don't get me. No. 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 Please don't get me. No. 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 Don't get me. Don't get me. Okay,
go get Papa. Go get him.
I'm gonna come get you.
Go get Papa.
I'm gonna come get you. I'm gonna go.
Ooh.
I'm gonna get you and I'm gonna kiss you to pieces. What's this? Hey guys, Andrea and I are about to take off. Had a nice short work day at Starbucks, meaning I worked on my computer at Starbucks. I'm not a barista. And we're gonna head out to a beach somewhere, not sure which beach. And I got my truck back, so I'm super excited to go to a beach that I can off-road a little bit too. So we'll see about that. But yeah, we'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Coral, what do you think? We're in Daddy's truck. We haven't been in here for over, what, 2 months? Do you like it?
I miss this truck. This feels amazing. I love driving this thing. Squirrel.
Coral, look up here.
Andrea found a garage sale. So beautiful here. Look at this, guys. We got a swamp behind us. Coral's trying to find Mama. Look at that wonderful swamp. Oh man, what a pretty view. This is just fabulous. Oh my goodness. Coral, don't you just love this view? There's Rocky over there. Let's go check it out. Look at that brave little chicken. There's Mama. She decided to stay behind under her own little tree.
Coral. Coral. You playing with the sand, Coral? Michael over there being a goofball. Daddy strong, Coral. All done from working out?
Look at this giant seal on the beach, you guys. Coral, you ready to go?
Michael is taking a photo of the truck on lava, and we are seriously like slanted. I'm trying not to freak out. Hi, Coral. Michael's going off exploring. Get photos. Ew, there's a bug! To get photos of his truck. This is what happens when he gets his truck back. Coral and I, we don't want to be in the car when Daddy gets on all those steep rocks, do we? So we're waiting out here. We're smart. No, we don't, huh? No, we don't.
Coral's eating with us on the table. Just chilling, Coral? Adorable, pretty girl. Andrea got the smallest burrito they have. I got flautas. Oh, you want some more beans? Coral likes beans.
There will come a day. There will come a day. There will come a day when we will be together. There'll be no more pain. Come that day, we will find a way through beauty and disaster. To that day, come that day, come